Hello everyone, I'm Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the wheel bearing and seal kits from Tusk. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in with us today. So we just want to give you a closer look at the wheel bearing and seal kits from Tusk. If the time has come for your ATV, your UTV, or your motorcycle to replace your bearings because they're worn out, well, Tusk actually has really good high quality replacements at a really good price point. And we have this for ATVs, UTVs, and your motorcycles. Now there's a couple things about these that I do want to point out. For motorcycle bearing kits, I've got a couple right here to my left. Now we're gonna have these for OEM wheels, which are right here, and I also have an impact wheel bearing kit as well. So if you have our Tusk impact wheels, there's a kit specific to those. Now what's important to know is that if you're buying these for a motorcycle, each kit will come with enough bearings to rebuild one hub. Now for ATVs and UTVs, when you order one of these kits, these will come with enough bearings to rebuild either both rear or both your front wheels. So just keep that in mind when you're picking yours up. Also, they are machine specific, so it's just important when you're picking up your wheel bearing kit to include the year, make, and model to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. But if you do have questions or comments about these, want to get those answered. But again, if you are looking for a high quality wheel bearing replacement kit, at a great price point, then Tusk is the way to go. I also want to point out that we have all the tools that you need to either remove or install your new bearings. And the best part is we have really good how-to videos that show you step-by-step how to replace the bearings on your motorcycle, ATV, or your UTV. So if you want to save yourself some money, make sure to check out those how-to videos after you pick up your wheel bearing kit. Remember, questions or comments, those go below, and to pick yours up, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date on the latest product spotlights like you saw today, along with our gear guides, our how-to videos, and all the great content that we're constantly releasing. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.